Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is your boy Azul back with another video. It's pretty cold, that's why I put that mask on my face. It's exactly here, minus 14 in Seoul, South Korea. So it's been like 2 days I came here of spare parts, what they have. I'm gonna search most of the places who have spare parts and show you guys, and the system gonna exactly work on the same thing. We'll just go and find the best shop and the best item they have. We go take a video from the shop and of course give you more information about the shop, like location, phone numbers and much more. And of course I'm gonna ask the owner to show me what's exactly more expensive part or what's the most unique or special part they have. So I'm gonna show you as well that also. So stay tuned and we're gonna start the first video in Seoul, South Korea. So this is the place, and as you can see all over our side there's a lot of buildings, people are living here. Sure, when they switch it to this car business place. Spare parts. So this is the spare parts which the people order and they're gonna deliver it to the garages. And this is the main entrance. As you can see all the pumpers here. There's so much pumper in this place. So we're gonna start with this part, the pumpers. We're gonna go up, there's a lot of it, and let's see which kind of models, which kind of branded they have. And this is upstairs. I think they store all the rear side pumper. Still they have some front pumpers, but this is a big place with, I can say, easily thousands of pumpers. So it's good they already mentioned the names in Korean. So this will be for the Mercedes and this is for the made in Taiwan. I'm not sure which car is this, but there's a lot of pumpers and most of them are all new models, like 2014 and above. And down of the pumpers they have all the supports for the front pumper and of course for the rear pumper as well. So this all aluminum thing, this is for the support for the front and rear pumper. And this is all the fenders they store and down. There's more in here as well. So this place is amazing for the spare parts, guys. And that's the fender storage. So there's a lot of fender as well in this shop. And guys, this is the inside for the shop, and most of the part they store was like some electrical items. Even they have for the headlights, and they store some radiator, condenser, this kind of stuff. This is the place when they store the headlights, and this is just starting, guys. They have thousands of headlights, including starting from BMW. I think, yeah, this is a BM, and Audi, like you name it they have it. I can see some Range Rover as well. This is not the latest one, but still it's clean. And I'm not sure which car is this, but it looks very sick. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 LEDs inside. By day the headlights getting more and more LEDs on it, and still now LEDs also, like it's kind of old class. Now new models, I think I saw in a BM they had the laser headlight on it. So it's, before we had, I remember before we had the HID, the xenon, after that the LED, now they have the headlights for the laser one. of this video, guys, for those people who are new, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, of course, like this video please, and share for those people who are interested in this kind of videos and interested for the spare parts business. And please guys, make sure to comment down below and tell me which kind of places you guys need to go and search for you, and which kind of branded you guys need to go and search for you and make a videos. This is Seoul, South Korea. See you for the next video.